Aciari nio magirire kuorotwo ndeto-ini no kuona nio mateaniire ureri wa ciana ciao handu-ini ha kuorota thirikari. O ni kuringana na minista wa githomo guku bururi-ini George Magoha uria uritie aciari gukorwo makiaraniria na ciana ciao.
The issue of our children getting wild is our problem. Do you open schools and children go and
Magoha augite thina ungi munene uria uracungiriria ndeto ino ni aciari kwaga mahinda na ciana ciao.
How much time have I spent with my children one on one, just taking them through the journey of life? Hii ujinga ya pregnancy inatoka wapi? What is it? Can we take our parenthood back? Can we take our parenthood back where we sanctify life? Explain to your daughter her body. Explain to her the power that she has over her body.
Athiete na mbere na kuga ati manyitanire na honge iria ciagiriire no marathie na mbere kwaririria riria thukuru ciagiriire kuhingurwo, akiuga mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niwe ari na ciugo cia muico.
Do you open schools and children go and get corona and die or not? And it is something we are still discussing. I am told that the Parents Association branch chair is here. We have been consulting them and everybody else. We have been consulting you. So there's a decision that we shall tell the president, and he is the one to decide whether to open or not.
Ihinda-ini oro riu ni ahithuritie kwaraniria na President Kenyatta magongona ma disco matanga makorwo makininwo kaimana kuona no kihumo kingi kia mathina maya.
I'm going to plead with His Excellency to ban this nonsense of saying the body has to come and sleep. When the body is sleeping around, you have to do disco matanga and the children do other things. The body should come from the mortuary into the grave.
Akieria hindi ya kuruguria irathi cia thukuru itiganite gicigo mbunge gia Githunguri ari hamwe na thukuru wa muthingi wa Ciiko iria ithondeketwo weru na kigina gia CDF. Magoha ni uritie arutani anene gucangaga kigina gia guthondeka irathi na aciari na haria maremererwo makaraniria na thirikari handu-ini ha gucirekereria. Mwena-ini wake mũmbunge wa gicigo giki Kagowa Lady akiuria atongoria kwaga kuhura uteti na githomo.
Wale wote ambao wanasiasa wameigiza siasa kwa shule, tuko na one of the best school in the constituency na inikuharibiwa inaharibiwa.
Kameme TV githie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Wanjiku wa Wanjiku.